Again here with a new video for class 9. So friends, as in the last video I started to explain the chapter 4 for class 9 and the title of the chapter was Basics of Writing Skills. Friends, in starting I already explained about the structure of the sentences and in which we have already explained about the three important parts of the sentence such as clause, phrase and sentence. So now in starting of this chapter through the video I am going to explain about the sentences and its types. Students, as you know, it is very essential for anyone to develop their writing skills only by knowing well about the grammar of English language. So, this chapter will help you to know about the basic grammar of English language. And in this order, I am starting next to explain about the sentence and its parts. As in the last video, I defined the sentences, which is a sentence which is a group of words which express the meaningful and complete sense. For example, we have been a part of regular online classes. This is an example of the sentence. Simply consists of words and having the meaningful sense. That is having the complete sense. That's why it is an example of the sentence. So the sentence is classified on the basis of function and structure. The types of the sentences has been classified on the basis of types and on the basis of function and structure. So as on the basis of function, the sentences is of four types. The first one is declarative, second interrogative, third imperative, and fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. On the basis of a structure, it is of four types also. The first one is simple, second compound, third complex, and fourth one is the complex compound sentence. These are the two different categories of the sentences classified on the basis of the function and structure. Now from start to end, I am defining these all types of the sentences. So on the basis of function, the first one was declarative. Students, the sentence which states an information or announce an idea. The sentence which states an information or announce an idea will be known as declarative sentence. This is always ended with a punctuation mark, that is always ended with a full stop, that is punctuation marks, that is the full stop. For example, we are running on the road, full stop. Sita reads a book, full stop. So will be an example of the sentence, will be an example of the declarative sentence. Next one is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is the sentence which expresses any question. Through the sentence, if we ask a question and the sentence is ended with a question mark, will be known as interrogative sentence. For example, when did the school open? Question mark. What is your work? Question mark are the two different examples of the interrogative sentence. Third one is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, the sentence which expresses any command, request, advice or order. Sentences which express any command, request, advice or order is known as imperative sentence. For example, turn off the TV. Okay, turn off the TV. Switch on the fan. So through by this sentence, these sentences simply expresses the command. Next one is the please fetch a glass of water. This sentence expresses a request And the third one is example is you should work hard for getting a good marks in the examination. Will be the sentence of advice. So will be known as imperative sentence. Next one is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, the sentence which shows a strong feeling, emotions, anger, excitement, frustration, sorrow, appreciation, etc. in its sense is known as exclamatory sentence. For example, what a good things. After that, have to put the exclamation mark. Basically, this sentences, the word of exclamation is simply ended with a note of exclamation mark. Second example, alas, he died. Alas, after alas, the word alas, you have to put the note of exclamation mark. Oh, it's okay. Oh, after oh, have to put the note of exclamation mark. So these all are the example of the exclamatory sentence. Now the next one type of sentences on the basis of a structure are, first one is a simple sentence. Simple sentence, the sentence which has only a main clause. The sentences which has only a main clause and has subject and verb also. So this type of sentence will be known as a simple sentence, and this sentence expresses also a complete sense. For example, he reads a book, I run in the field are the two examples of the simple sentence. Next one type of a sentence on the basis of the structure is a compound sentence. It is said that the compound sentence which has at least two main clauses, connected with some conjunctions, such as and, or, nor, for, yet, still, but, so, etc. And one main thing is that it has no any dependent clause. The compound sentence has no any dependent clause. So next one type of sentence, dependent clause, and you may take some examples here. For example, he called him, but he did not appear. He called him, but he did not appear. Next example, he worked hard, so he could perform better in the examination. Are the two examples of the compound sentence. Now next one is the complex sentence. Complex sentence is the sentence. Complex sentence, a sentence which has one main clause and at least one dependent clause. The sentence which has one main clause and at least one dependent clause connected with some conjunctions such as although, because, since, unless, when, etc. Or some relative pronouns also such as who, that, okay, who, that, etc. Who, that, etc. Or which, who, that, which, etc. For example, I saw an old lady who was hungry. I saw an old lady who was hungry. Second example, although, after that I have to put the question, comma, although he is strong, unable to carry this log. So are the examples of the complex sentence. Now next one is the complex compound sentence. A complex compound sentence, the sentence which has at least two main clauses. In this sentence, there will be the two main clauses and one or more dependent clauses. But it is essential to be the presence of the two main clauses. For example, the baby cried when her mother went out, but she soon returned. The baby cried when her mother went out, but she soon returned. Is an example of the complex compound sentence. So after this, the lecture related to the sentence and its types has been completed now. So till have a nice day and thank you. You have to go through this all the videos properly and write down the types of that sentence and its types on your have to send this all types of sentences and its types sentence and its types through the written mode on my WhatsApp. So till have a nice day and thank you.